Hey, what's up guys? Yaniv here again. Today we're actually going to do a very special announcement. I have a really awesome idea for you guys. I think some of you guys also commented this in the last couple videos. So before we do get into the video, I want to let you guys know that the winner of the last video, again, you had to comment and say something, leave me a comment, and Lior did. So that's why Lior is going to win the 15-minute one-on-one mentorship call. Lior, just message me on like Facebook or something, and we'll get that set up. Alexander, I know you still watch these videos too. You had won the 15-minute live, 30-minute, sorry, one-on-one mentorship live call with me on the live stream. Don't, I still remember you, so we're still gonna get that done. But for the special announcement for this video, I'm gonna actually, right, because there's so many people that had not won the last mentorship giveaway, I'm going to actually do a 25-person, I'm going to do a 15-minute live call, one-on-one mentorship live call with 25 people this time, so more of you guys can win, because I feel like last time only one of you guys won, and it was kind of sad because a lot of people really were looking forward to it. So obviously I won't be able to give away $1,000 to each person, but I think it's still going to be really awesome getting 25 people getting to know you guys and actually doing like one-on-one mentorships with you. So for a chance to win, I want you guys to so obviously like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, right? Follow me on Instagram at @realyanivitskovich, and I'll leave that in the description. I want you guys also to follow me on Snapchat. I'll leave the icon somewhere here or something. We'll see how that works out. You guys just take a, just scan that and it'll add me for you. And then come back to this video, this YouTube video, and leave a comment that you've done both of those, and that's pretty much it. After that, I'll be picking up 25 people. So obviously, guys, there's going to be a much greater chance for you guys winning this one-on-one mentorship. And I'm really looking forward to, actually getting to know you guys and meeting you guys. I know I always say that, but really I am. So I'm really looking forward to this one. So again, to get everything clear, guys, follow me on Instagram at @realyanivitskovich. It's in the description. Follow me on Snapchat. I'll leave the thing up again. And come back to this video, like it, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment on the fact that you did, all that stuff. So after that, again, I'll be picking 25 people, one-on-one mentorships, and we'll have a 15-minute live call with all of you guys. Pretty quick video today, but tomorrow I'm going to have a massive, probably 1 hour long product research video for you guys. Pretty quick video today, but tomorrow I'm going to have a massive 1 hour, probably around 1 hour product research video for you guys, so you guys can follow along and do the, see exactly why and how I pick products and how I find products that are home runs and stuff like that. So really looking forward to that one also. And anyways, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.